Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. The topic that we are going to study is similes, tashbihat. Simile is a figure of speech that compares one thing with another of different kind. It usually forms with like or as. Our first simile is as uncertain as the weather. मौसम की मानंद गैर यकीनी. Next simile is as tricky as an ape. लंगूर या बंदर की मानंद चालबाज. As troublesome as a monkey. बंदर की मानंद तकलीफ दे, परेशान करने वाला. As useful as a cow. गाय की मानंद मुफीद. Cow is very useful. It gives us milk, meat, and also its dung is used as fertilizer in field. As unreal as a dream. ख्वाब की मानंद गैर यकीनी. As vain as a peacock. मोर की मानंद मगरूर. As venomous as a snake. सांप की मानंद जहरीला, कीना परवर. As venomous as snake. सांप की तरह जहरीला. As voracious as a camel. ऊंट की मानंद पेटू, cow. Voracious mean one who eats too much. As vague as a shadow. साय की मानंद मुबहम. Vague मुबहम धुंधला. As warlike as a wolf. भेड़िए की मानंद लड़ाका. As warm as wool. ऊन की मानंद गर्म. As weak as reed. बांसुरी की तरह कमज़ोर. As wise as Solomon. हज़रत सुलेमान अलैहिस्सलाम की तरह अक्लमंद. He was considered one of the wise person. As yellow as sulfur. गंधक की तरह पीला. ये एक किस्म की दहात का नाम है. As yellow as jaundice. यरकान की तरह पीला. Jaundice is a disease in which skin turns yellow. As zigzag as lightning. आसमानी बिजली की तरह पुरपैच या हमदार. As transient as lightning. आसमानी बिजली की तरह आर्जी.